Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. In today's video I will show you how to save or download Pinterest photos to your photo gallery. So if you like some photo on Instagram and want it in your gallery, you can easily download it. The first thing we need to do is open the Pinterest app on our device and make sure that we are logged in. Now I am going to search for a photo that I want to download. I am going to download a New York City photo. So when you find a photo that you want to download, click on it and open it. Now we have a save button in the bottom of the screen, but that will save the photo to our Pinterest gallery and we want to download it to our photo gallery. The way we do that is to click on the three dots at the bottom of the screen and click on download image. Then give access to gallery and now it will say that the photo is downloaded. When we open our photo gallery, we can see that we have successfully downloaded the photo. And subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.